Hi, my name is Ermel Martinez, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Cavite State University, Trece Martires City Campus, Batch 2013. I am currently employed as training executive at Biwal Nutraceuticals Corporation, but I started working here as Territory Sales Supervisor since August 1 last year, and I've been regularized and promoted last July 1 this year. And I would like to thank Cabs Trece for molding me and contributing to what I am right now. I must say that I'm privileged to be accepted and finish my degree in Cabs Trece. I remember I almost not got into college due to financial reasons, but luckily accepted in BSIT program of the campus. And during my college days, we are trained very well, of course, with our very passionate instructors. Yes po, shout out po sa mga naging instructor namin. And thank you for sharing your knowledge to foster our skills and help us develop our talents. Because all of those contributed a lot in my quest for employment. I was confident enough in applying for a job because I'm from a state university. But this also posed a challenge as I have to live up the expectations of the employer. Luckily and by hard work, I already got a permanent position and slowly walking up to the ladder of the company. Right now, I'm proud to say that we're able to open a new department, the social media team, and we started to activate all the social media accounts of the company from scratch to having a campaign. So, thank you so much. Thank you very much, Cabs Trece, and to all my former instructors, and for giving me this opportunity to share my journey. Thank you. And to all the current students of Cabs Trece, never give up because you guys are in good hands. Just listen, study, and try to develop whatever talents you have, and there will be a bright future ahead of you. Mabuhay po kayo!
Hi, my name is Sir Adrian C. Ilarde, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Cavite State University, Trece Martires City Campus, Batch 2016. I am currently employed as a Science Research Specialist at the Department of Science and Technology, Industrial Technology Development Institute, or known as the OST-ITDI, since 2018. My work focuses on the promotion of the Institute's technologies and services to various stakeholders by means of information technology. First of all, I would like to thank CBSU Trece for molding me and contributing to who I am right now. I must say that I am privileged to be a product of this university. I almost did not go to college due to financial reasons, but luckily I got accepted in the BSIT program as a DOST scholar. Back in college, we are really trained well by our instructors. They generously shared their knowledge to hone our skills and develop our talents. All of those greatly contributed on my quest for employment. Modesty aside, I did not have a hard time applying for a job because I am a graduate of CBSU. Based from experience, the industry knows that the state universities such as CBSU produces hardworking professionals. But be ready for the challenge as you have to live up to the expectations of your employer and brace for the real world. In the short time that I am working as a government employee, my advice to you is not just work hard, but work smart. Enhance your people's skills and always believe that you can make a difference, even small. So thank you very much, CBSU Trece, and to all my former instructors for shaping me to who I am today. To all the current students of CBSU Trece, even if you are faced with difficult schoolwork, never give up because you are in the good hands. Just listen to your instructors, study hard, and develop whatever talents you have. Surely, there will be a bright future ahead of you. Kudos and mabuhay po kayo!